Come on, let's practice real quick.
She gets on my
Come on.
What?
You want people to book with you, you gotta be like, this. Come on.
Hey, and welcome back to my channel. It's Asana Adventures again, checking in from room 22317 with a Cove Balcony room tour. Come on in. What? How you want me to do it?
You gotta think, come on in. What are we coming to? We cruising, so you gotta come on. You gotta be like,
I'm gonna let you undo it.
come on. All right, I'll do it. Wait. Hold on. What's the wait.
Look, I should have put my second mic.
Asana Adventures.
Yes.
He's jacking that up. That's gonna be the jack up part, okay?
Let's see how.
Okay. You ready? Okay. Tell me, give me a pinky. Hi, this is Asana Adventures. We are here on Carnival Vista at room 2317. This is a Cove Balcony. Come take a look. Come on in. So right here, as standard, you have your little light switch over there. Come on in. So here you have your bathroom, the standard bathroom with the 6 shelves, the shower. That little switch for you. Ooh. Then when you come on in, you have your little cabinet closets, and whew, we have a lot of space in here. We have 2 standard closets, luggage storage space. And then we have a little extra one with our 3 shelves and our 3 drawers and our little safe. Then when you come down here, you have your little vanity set. Right here, we have our standard mini fridge. Let's see. I don't know. Let's see. So when you look over here, you have our little nice couch. And since we've been here for a couple of days, you see all of the different animals that they put on our beds. And then you come over here, and this is a king. Now let's take a look. We're going to step out until our balcony. Look at this amazing view. So, if you like what you see, please book. Please book. It's an amazing.